Right, and I'm trying to fit some of these Canard things. Got one on there. This before. Got these off of eBay. That's right. There we go. Unfortunately, the glue was awful, so I'd get another 3M tape and double that up and put that back on. So yeah, let's see if they stay on. Just going to do the other one and I'll come back. So this is how they come wrapped. They do come up wrapped quite well. The only thing is, this tape that came on it is absolutely awful. So you just peel that straight off. A bit difficult with the camera. I'll just do that. But then I got some proper 3M stuff. And yeah, I'll put a link to that in the description for you. But yeah, and I'll put a link to this in the description as well. So I've put one layer on, just about to peel that off, and I'll put another layer back on top of that. Right, so here they are both fitted. Look pretty cool, to be fair. Gotta say, they're not the best fit. I did have to use my own special tape. But I think 20 quid altogether with all the tape. Not a bad little add-on. Goes well with my little Allroad badge. Right, if you like that, I hope you're liking it, subscribe. I'm going to try and be tinting these black. And then I'll be also got some yellow tint to try and do the fogs and the front lights.